Namaste, my name is Dilip Amin. We are talking about caste system in Hinduism. Now, over millennia, there was to be a skill and aptitude-based guild system that was rigidified into a hereditary hierarchy. So today, lot more efforts are being made to eradicate it, and so it is a work in progress. Now, I will focus on today the word caste and what Hinduism has to do with it. Now, the word caste came from chastity or European three layers of caste systems. It is not same as Hindus' system. Actually, it is in 1901, a Britishers, Lord Risley, who introduced India the caste-based censors in India. Britishers made Hindus to pick one of the castes, what they label, put it on, and the Hindu found it very confusing. And later, Risley writes it that Indian lacked intellect. Now, the truth is, Britishers were trying to impose on Hindus what they are not. And as a matter of fact, even today, that's what also going on. People are trying to Hindus what they are not today. Now, caste is not sanctioned in Vedas nor in any other Hindu text or teaching. Neither it is intrinsic to the practice of Hinduism, nor it was part of the history. Now, what Hindus have? What Hindus have is Varna, and that is personality type or tendencies, and Jati, that is your occupation, but that's not caste. Now, what is Varna? Varna is divided into 4 subgroups, and that is Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishnavas, and Shudras. Brahmin may carry the knowledge about Hinduism, but the power is in hands of Kshatriyas, and money is in hands of the Vaishyas. So there is an interdependence there, and there is some ecosystem there. Also, the skills, the farmer's sons will inherit the land as well as the skill. So it stays, knowledge stays there. Now, where the Sudra fits, and Sudras are those who do not fit in any of the first 3 classes. And basically, Shudras are the working class. They work for somebody. Now, if you think of it in America or in the, let's say, San Francisco area, probably 95% of people in the Bay Area are Shudras, meaning they are working for someone. So let's move to Jati. What is Jati? Jati is explained when you see a goldsmith's son is also a goldsmith. In America, a Kennedy or Bush, somebody from Kennedy or Bush family is expected to be politicians. So politicians end up becoming their Jati, if you say so. So again, repeating, Hinduism does not have the caste systems. It has been imported, and we have Jatis and Varna, and there is a difference there. Thank you.